Hello, my name is Miss Sibeli, and I'm here today to teach you how to make Play-Doh. Play-Doh is super fun, and we learn a lot from Play-Doh. First, because of the language. Second, because of math, when we are measuring all the ingredients we need to make a Play-Doh. And third, science. Oh, and we cannot forget that when we play with Play-Doh, we make our fingers much stronger. And this is super helpful for when you start to write. So let's get started with our Play-Doh recipe. Let's learn our ingredients first. So these are the ingredients you need for your Play-Doh. Flour, salt, oil, water, and food coloring. If there is no food coloring in your house, Jell-O can be a great option. You just need to dissolve the Jell-O powder into the water, and then you are gonna have a colorful liquid for your Play-Doh. We're going to get started with the water, and for the water, we need 1/4 of a cup of water. This is what I'm going to do. And today, I will make 2 recipes at the same time. 1/4 of water for each bowl I have here. Now we're going to add the food coloring. Now we can add a full cup of flour. For each of the portions, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of salt. And to learn our recipe, we're going to add 1 full spoon of oil. Now, we're going to mix it all together. So I think it is too dry. So what I'm going to do, I am going to add a little bit more water. Still seems to me it's a little bit dry. So what you can try to do is like open a hole in the middle of your dough. You can add now 1/2 spoon of water. It's just a little bit of water. Let's see if this is going to work. When your Play-Doh is ready, you can save them in plastic bags. And you can also store them in the fridge, so this is going to last longer. Yeah, so this is it. This is our recipe for Play-Doh. I hope you have liked this, and I hope you can play a lot with your Play-Doh now. See you soon. Bye bye.